Need some inspiration for dinner tonight? This is one of my favorite vegetable sides because it's fast, easy, healthy, and above all, delicious. It's only 4 ingredients: broccoli, sliced shallot or red onion, walnut oil, and salt. Walnut brings out a great depth of flavor in broccoli and onions, making for a surprisingly complicated flavor despite this dish's simplicity. To get the most out of this dish, cut your shallots lengthwise. This will release fewer essential oils, leading to fewer tears and more flavor in your onions. Additionally, heat your oven to 400 with the baking sheet already in the oven, and cut your florets in large bite-sized pieces and the stems into small bite-sized pieces. These steps will ensure your florets get crispy, but not overcooked. When your vegetables are prepped, toss them in walnut oil and salt. When everything is tossed, add your broccoli and shallots to your preheated baking sheet in the oven. The more space you give, the crispier your florets will be because they won't steam off of each other. Just be careful, if there's too little space, things can burn on you. While the broccoli cooks, let's prep our fish. To start, we're making a simple sauce by mixing Dijon mustard, maple syrup, garlic powder, and the dried or fresh minced herbs of your choice. We are using frozen tilapia because it freezes well, thaws quickly, is affordable, and convenient. It was thawed in the fridge overnight. You can also thaw fish under cold running water if you're in a rush. Reserve some sauce for when your fish is cooked, then pat dry your tilapia so that your sauce doesn't get too watery in the oven. Salt your fillets a little bit, and then add on your sauce. Be generous with your sauce. We want this dish to be simple and quick, but definitely not boring. With our sauce added, we're going to bake our tilapia at 400 until it is solid white and flakes apart easily with a fork. This will take about 12 minutes. It's been about 20 minutes on our broccoli. The top of our florets are now lightly browned and crisp. And our fish is flaky and cooked through, but still moist. This meal can be made with other proteins, has limited ingredients, and takes 30 minutes or less, making it a wonderful addition to your weeknight repertoire. Happy cooking, everyone!